Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, for the first time ever, I will be doing a get ready with me, and we're doing a 3-in-1. I was actually going to like a formal event with the girl, and I had two dresses, but I decided to just go with one and keep watching to the end of this video to find out which dress I decided to go with for this event. So we're just gonna jump right into it. Yo, I am not like the best person to be doing like tutorial on makeup, but I'm gonna try my best, and I'll be starting with my brows. My brows is not waxed, so it's gonna be a struggle, but I'm starting with my Anastasia brows pencil. I usually use the pencil, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try to use the brows gel, and honestly after this I went back to using the pencil because that's what I'm comfortable with. So just use whatever you comfortable with, okay? So I just went ahead with the line of my brows and then fill it in. And then after that, I just went in the same shape and just took the concealer to kind of clean it up where I wanted it to be clean. And just, okay, y'all, eyebrows are sisters. They are not twins. Next, I just took my concealer and went in the same shape that I already created. Just started to have that clean look, and then just take out any assets that I didn't want. And then I'm just blending in the concealer really well, so it's not really, noticeable, but still clean. And then next, I'm just gonna go in with my palette that my cousin got me for Christmas. I will put everything in the description bar, but I am a really simple girl, and I just like my looks to be natural and clean. So this is a really natural look that I'm doing, and then I wanted a little bit of gold in it as well. So I'm actually using my other palette that I got from Amazon. So as far as the gold, and I'm gonna put that in the description bar as well. So the lashes that I'm using today, I got from Ulta Beauty. This is something simple. Like I said, I just wanted a simple look and nothing too dramatic. And then the foundation that I'm using is actually a new foundation that I'm trying that I got from Ulta as well, and it's called Clinique. So this is just a sample that I have, and I was just testing it out because I have a really oily skin, and I was trying to see what worked for me. I'm not a big fan of MAC, and I just been trying different foundation as well, and I really like this foundation because I didn't have to put in a lot in order for me to get coverage. And like I said, I'm very simple, so I like very light coverage. Like I don't like too many stuff on my face because then I have to feel like I'm dirty, and then I have to wipe it off. I am using the LA Girl concealer, and the color I'm using is Fur. And like I said, I didn't want a concealer that's too light, so I got something that kind of really blending with my skin tone. Because I don't know, for me, that really light concealer that just doesn't really work. And then what I'm using to contour today, I'm using the Bobbie foundation, and it's actually a foundation stick that I use to contour, and I got this from my cousin, thanks to her. And this really works out very well for me as far as the color and the way the stick is shaped as well. It makes things a little bit easier for me. So now I'm just gonna blend everything in till my satisfaction and until I like it. And next, I will just be going in with my Too Faced bronzer, and I got it from Sephora in the color Dark Chocolate, and I'm just using it to just make my contour a little bit more divine. And I'm not using a lot, y'all, just a little bit. I'm just putting a little bit on my brush, and then just going over the spots that I contour at, so it can just make it look more divine and bring out my cheekbones and then my nose. That's about it. I don't go over everything, just the places that I want to be more divine for my contour to be seen. I mean, you are welcome to do whatever that you like and that's comfortable for you. And to finish up this look and make it look easy, I mean simple, I just decided to go with some lip gloss. You can't go wrong with some lip gloss, guys. And then after that, I just got my highlight palette, which I got from BH Cosmetic. Yo, guys, I had this highlight palette for like years now, and it's still going strong. It don't look like I'm running out, and it comes with like 4 different things in there. And basically, sometimes I want to just use one because it works well with my skin tone. So whatever you feel like works for you, you know. And most of these products I'm using, it is affordable. The only thing that was a little bit more expensive was the Bobbie foundation stick, which was like $50 something, but it's definitely worth it. And then I will just be going in with my setting spray. It's a rosemary setting spray. I just recently started using this, and it seems to be working fine for me. I mean, I have oily skin and it works. And now, the most exciting part, the hair. I already came on camera with my wig already laid down. My list is on fleek if you didn't notice. Okay, so basically, this hair is from GRWM. You guys know that's the only hair that I wear. And it's already flat iron, honestly, because I wore it to the event. I'm actually recreating this look for y'all because I didn't have time to record before we left. And I'm just taking the flat iron and taking sections of my hair since it's already straightened out. And no need for me to go in smaller pieces. So as I take a portion, I just comb it out and then go through it with the flat iron. Like, and when I get closer to the top, like, look at that list, guys. Look at it. Like, it looks like it's growing from my scalp, okay? So, I'm feeling myself a little too much. Okay, and I was just continuing to do the same thing everywhere until I feel like I have gotten every section of the hair. Now, the movement we have all been waiting for, the dresses. Yeah, guys, you're not gonna believe this, but this white dress that I'm wearing, I actually got it from Amazon, okay? So I had originally bought my dress from Boohoo, but then when the dress came, it was great and everything, but I was like, I kind of think I want to wear white just to be different because I feel like everybody would be wearing black. So I ordered this dress on Amazon last minute. They do have prom, and it was like $47. And when the dress came, I honestly like it. And then the black dress I got from Boohoo. I actually really love this dress, but I decided to go with the white dress because I wanted to wear this to my birthday dinner. Came to find out I didn't wear it, but okay. Thank you all for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share, and let me know what other videos that you guys would like to see in the future. Thank you. Bye-bye.